Welcome back everybody to Ladybug Lane Soaps, and this is Margie, and thank you so much for joining me. Alrighty, here we go. I always like to show you that I am putting on my safety eyeglasses there. Alright, so today folks, I've been meaning to make this for quite a while, and it is the pineapple cilantro from Brambleberry. So very, very nice. Now, I have not shopped around for another comparable fragrance oil just like this. I keep going back to Brambleberry because this guy, it's juicy. It's so juicy and it's just wonderful. And it does not discolor, and it does behave very well in cold process. I could see it maybe like, in a foot scrub, something like that. So, no, it's just one of those things where I guess I could buy some other samples from another company, but when you're really, really happy with a product, I just keep going back to it. So anyway, gang, other than that, let's see, what colorants are we going to be using today? Here is Lemon Drop from Nurture Soap, and I'm still trying to decide here. We have the Sea Green and Alpine Green, both from Nurture Soap. I'll be using a little bit of titanium dioxide, and yesterday, this was a labor of love, you would think. So here are all of these cute little pineapples, and the tops were just a trial, trying to get it, kind of a halfway decent color. When it comes to in-beds, folks, I really don't go for like the truly realistic look. It's soap. You're going to be wiping your arms and legs and other, body parts with it, and it's like, whatever, it's just, you just kind of go with it. So anyway, so other than that, I guess we will just see how this goes. I think I have an idea in my head of the design. So anyway, so we got about 85 for the oils. The lye, almost 81, and I already have the kaolin clay in the oils, and I do have the sodium hydroxide in here. So let us stay. And I did add just a couple more ounces of distilled water to the lye solution, because I had it covered up with saran wrap, but we have had our air conditioner on all week, and it still can stay. And it can still evaporate a little bit. So it never hurts, just add a few more ounces. Okay. All right, let's give this a quick little stick blend here. Burp the baby. Okay, now let's Oh, where that just smells so awesome. Just And pour that right in here to keep the batter fluid. Oh my word. I mean, this is just like cutting into a fresh, ripe pineapple. Oh. Okay. Okay, good. That thinned out the batter a little bit. Okay. Now, a good portion of this, I want it to be white. Oh, goodness. 1, 2, 3. Yay, she did it. right, I'm back, and I think I can get my hand in my glove. Oh, mercy. So anyway, folks, like I say, this fragrance oil is so worth it. I just can't explain how juicy and yummy it is. All right, so, oh my gosh, have you ever seen such a person struggle with their glove? Huh. Okay, so I've already marked this off. It's supposed to be coming down to about here. Let's see if I can keep my little line straight. Okay. Alrighty, gang. There she is. I don't know if those are going to make huge slices or what. But anyway, those are kind of cute. So, okay, guys. I'll be probably cutting this in a couple of days. So, I'll see you at the cut. Bye. Welcome back to Ladybug Lane Soaps. And I am just about ready to cut the pineapple cilantro, and oh my word, so between my husband and my 2 older sons, they absolutely love this fragrance oil. It is just so delicious. Now the funny thing about me putting these embeds on here is it was a pretty close call as far as getting them through the soap log cutter. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm probably a little bit too close. There we go. But I am very, very happy with how they turned out. Now, so the thing that I kind of forgot is I turned the pineapple embed the wrong way. It should have been facing this way. And I usually do cut off the ends, but I really wanted 10 bars per log here, so I hope people don't mind. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with the design. That was a lot of fun. The colors were just how I had hoped that they would be. I wasn't quite sure. Ooh, that's gonna be close. They weren't quite. No, I wasn't quite sure exactly how. See, isn't that little embed just adorable? Yep, I'm very happy, and you know, seems like every single year, folks, I keep saying at the wrong time of year, oh, I'm going to be making, you know, this summer theme soap or this and that, and I just never get it done on time, you know, between me writing my historical romance novels and working in our big yard. You know, there just isn't enough of me to go around. But, you know, I mean, you know, something like this doesn't have, you don't have to wait for summertime necessarily, but, you know, it is kind of one of those yummy summer soaps. So this will be available probably sometime in August. And after this, I need to grab a whole bunch of my soaps that are curing right now, or just about done curing, and take some glam shots at them. They will be ready for purchase here this coming week. And that's the timer to remind me that I have a sprinkler to move. Oh my goodness. Anyway, well, thank you, gang, for those who stick around to the very end. I appreciate it very much. So until next time, everybody have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.